Ring in the new year with classic style from Patek Philippe. This is the Gondolo for men. Nice size watch. As you can see, fairly large, not too big, very thin, something you would expect from Patek, but just enough to give it that gorgeous appearance. Slides right underneath the cuff of any suit. A little bit understated, extraordinarily classic. If you're tired of round watches, this Gondolo is a heritage piece that throws back to the 1930s, 40s, and even the 50s. The watches back then were a little bit smaller in size. They were thinner, a little bit shorter. This watch is up to date. If you have a larger wrist like I do, this is a gorgeous piece. I highly recommend it. And the stock number is 30984. It's the 5109 if you want to look that up. It's the Patek, Patek 5109. You can find that and all the information about the Gondolo series and the history behind them as well. Give us a call here at SwissWatchExpo. Put this on your wrist for the coming new year. We'll be happy to help you out with any questions that you may have. This watch is just pristine. The watch is unworn condition, no wear on the strap, no scratches, no blemishes, no dings, or any kind of characteristics that you would normally find on a pre-loved watch. Find it today here at SwissWatchExpo.com or give us a call. We'll be happy to help. And Happy New Year.